Hello everyone, my name is Gangadhar. Today I came here to share my experience of CA course. I am from a village named Dachepalli of Guntur district. I did my 10th class in Sri Chaitanya school of Dachepalli and I secured 9.7 GPA. After doing 10th class, I am very confused regarding which course I should choose. By that time, I came to know about the CA course. After getting to know about the difficulty of the CA course and the lot of opportunities available after completing this course, I am very interested in doing this course. In order to prove myself that I am capable enough to complete this course, I chose MEC as a starting point to do CA. By the time I came to know about the masterminds, because one of my elder sister is already doing CA in masterminds. So I joined in masterminds in the intermediate itself and I chose MEC as a starting point. In intermediate I got 973 marks in the masterminds itself. After intermediate marks, in CPT I secured 188 marks and in the IPCC I secured around 472 marks. In the final I got around 519 marks and I secured All India 45th rank. I can confidently say that masterminds played a significant role in my success. Without masterminds, I even cannot complete the CA course in the very first attempt. The best part of masterminds is here everything goes as per the plan and as per the schedule. The revision exams are the most advantageous thing for joining in the masterminds. There will be a schedule and everything should be completed within the scheduled time period. Like in the CA course, there is the syllabus will be very huge and it is very difficult to complete in the 4 or 5 months time period, but it will happen in the masterminds because we will go as per the schedule prepared by our director sir, Prakash sir, and there will be weekly exams where we can evaluate ourselves and where we can choose whether we are doing correct or not. There will be counseling sessions also so that we can get motivated and there will be healthy environment to study. Revision exams lo weekly 2 exams conduct chestaru, one on Wednesday and one on Sunday. After completing the exam, results will be given within 1 or 2 weeks and immediately after writing the exams they will provide us the suggested answers so that we can evaluate whether we did well or not. After completing the exam itself we can evaluate ourselves and there will be counseling sessions for every 2 weeks or for every 3 weeks. There will be a counselor and who will monitor our performance and who will give some suggestions or advices regarding what we should do in the next exam. We need to finish the entire portion of syllabus within 2 or 3 days. It is very difficult to complete the portion within 2 or 3 days because based on the past experiences only they will prepare the schedule in such a manner. And also there will be semi-final exams and pre-final exams before writing the finals so that we can get an experience of how to complete the entire syllabus in 1 or 2 days just before the exam. Final exams prepare ayetapudu there will be just 1 or 2 days to revise the entire syllabus, but as we already wrote some pre-final or semi-final exams, we will have some experience how to finish the entire portion in just 1 or 1.5 day. And also the main problem in the CA exams is the time, because we will not be able to complete the question paper in within 3 hours. The revision exams or the pre-final and semi-final exams will play a significant role over there. We will get the writing speed in order to complete it within the specified time of 3 hours, and also there will be around 2 or 3 revisions during the revision exam schedule, because for every revision exam there will be some papers are like accumulating syllabus and some papers there will conduct some weekly or monthly revision of entire portion already completed. So there will be around 2 to 3 revisions we will be able to complete before giving our final examinations. So that will help to complete our exams peacefully and we will not be required to worry more like how we can give our exams. I have seen many of my friends that before attending for the final examinations, they are little bit tensed and they are not able to give their exam well, because they are not able to revise the entire portion, as they haven't written any exam before the final examinations. They don't know how to write and they will feel very difficult to finish it in 3 hours. But it is not the case when we attended for the revision exams in Masterminds. So finally, I just wanted to thank my parents for supporting me at each and every stage of my life, and also the Masterminds. I will never ever forget Masterminds, as it has played a significant role in my success. I can say that it is not possible for me to complete each and every stage of CA course in the very first attempts without Masterminds. And another thing in Masterminds revision exam part is, we cannot just attend for the examinations. We need to come to the classroom and we need to study in the study halls provided by them. There will be very peaceful environment created over there, so that we will be interested to study. As many of our friends are studying behind us, we will feel motivated to study. And also another thing is, if we got any doubts, there will be supporting faculty at any time who will clarify our doubts and also help us to understand the subject very well. And also before the examinations, like final examinations, the faculty will provide some guest questions based on the past experience or the past papers. They will provide the guest questions in a priority wise, like a set of, like there will be ABC order, highest priority questions and the average priority questions and the low priority questions. Based on that, we can it will helpful at the revision time. Like before the final examinations, we can just analyze whether we are able to attend for that question if that question comes in the final examinations. Thanks to our director sir, Mohan sir and Prakash sir and Radha madam.